Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to check comment history on Instagram, so without wasting any time. Let's get started by going to the App Store and in the search bar type Instagram. Make sure that your Instagram app is updated. After that, go to the Instagram app and then go to your profile. Now here, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on your activity. Here, scroll down and finally tap on Comments, and here you can see all of your comment history on Instagram. If you want to delete any comment, simply tap on Select and then delete it. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, see you soon.